We are now in a position to do the pin for the piston at the correct place in this drawing. So in order to start that, we create a new sketch. Create sketch. And that sketch is going to be on the XZ plane. So on this XZ plane, we're going to start here with create project include project. Okay, so we have projected that to the plane, and now I want to remove the bodies. I don't want the bodies to show. It's okay. So because of that, I want to take a rectangle, and the rectangle is what type of rectangle now? A 2-point rectangle, and that 2-point rectangle is starting from this point here. This point. This point. If that is okay. Okay, so that is the rectangle there. And so this point is called linear. This point, this, and this, horizontal, vertical, and this is horizontal, vertical. So let us just see. So those are coincident. Okay. Now I'm going to take some here divided by 2. Okay, so that's B radius divided by 2, and then we're going to have this here and here. So we are going to extend this line. Modify, extend. This line is extended, and this thickness is 2. So we're going to take a diameter, a dimension there from here to here. That is 2. And then we're going to have 2 vertical lines. One vertical line here, another vertical line here. So we're going to do some trimmings here. Trim that, trim that, trim that, trim that. No undo. So what we want to trim here is this. So that means that this line, okay, we want to trim this and this. So with that, we can apply dimensions. Dimension here, dimension of this is 2, and then the dimension of this is the same thing as the sleeve. And we want an equality here. We want this to be equal to this. Okay. So that is 2, 2. And then what is the dimension of this now? Already know. So over constraint cancel. Okay, so we can let the bodies appear again. So that is the that is what we can now At a point, we can now do, at this point, we can do a revolve. We can create, we can finish the sketch here and go home. And here, we can come here and do a revolve. Create revolve. And what we want to revolve is this one, and this one. So the axis of revolution is this one. And were we joining? Yes, this time we are joining those two things. Can we join them? Yes.